here. Hands on the biceps. Pop up. Open. Hip forward. Drop to side control. Arm on the throat. Push on the belly. Remember, knee on stomach like we did with Guy. Only see where his arm ends up. We're going to practice our spinning arm lock. Once he touches my knee, I'm going to come under, grab the tricep, grab the ear, and I'm going to pull both, his head and his arm. See how it gets him up on his side? I'm just going to put my knee on his ribs, sit, and go for the arm lock. Again. Yeah, just be easy on the neck. Here, up, 1, 2, at the crown. Look, I lift the neck and I keep it left part. Up, look, I lift my hip forward. See how that unlocks his guard? I'm going to lift my hips up, come down. Arm on the throat, push on the stomach, pop up, knee. As soon as they touch, underhook, grab the ear, pull. Knee, and twist. Thumb, pinch the knees, arm bar. Everybody got it? So you want to see it again? Huh? Okay. Huh?